Why the spring roll is like this? Do we need to put it in a water? Garlic. May asawa is helping me. May asawa ka no. It's a failed Shanghai lumpia. Because the wrapper is different, guys. Dahil bida-bida nga guys ang person dito sa US, gumawa nga ako guys ng peach gram float. Kung sa Pinas, grams yung pagbigkas, dito naman grams. Kaya hindi kami nagkaintindihan nung una. Dahil marami sila guys na canning peach like preserved peach, gumawa nga ako guys nito. Kung tinatry ko lang guys kung magustuhan nga nila ito. So bali nagpatulong lang ako sa mother-in-law ko paano gumawa ng parang whipped cream. Then the rest ako na yung gumawa nito guys. After ko nga matapos ito guys ay ini-fridge lang namin ng ilang oras. So bali ito nga guys yung dessert namin nung wedding at nagustuhan nila. Medyo kabado lang ako guys kasi baka hindi nila magustuhan. So well at maganda naman yung outcome. So gagawa ulit ako guys ng ibang klase naman ng fruits. Mixed fruits naman yung gagawin namin next time. Yan yung sabi ni Aaron. So nung time nga ito guys nagre-relax lang kami dito sa labas. Nag-order nga pala guys si Aaron ng pizza. At yun yung naging dinner namin guys. Aaron is my audience.
Yeah. Audience doing a crossword puzzle.
Aaron is my audience. My first lumpia here in U.S. Do you think they will like it? Have you tried the lumpia at Shanghai asawa? No?
Not that I can say.
I will be making a Lumpia Shanghai. It's a Filipino famous dish. So, una guys, piniprepare ko pala itong guys, garlic. Meron tayong carrots, what we call this, spring onions.
Spring onions.
Yeah, spring onions. We got onions, bell pepper, and we will, what do you call that, asawa?
You're gonna use that?
We will grate all together. Yeah, your mom teach me how to use it.
Where'd you get that sweatshirt from?
From the garage sale.
Tristan Technology Division Operational Excellence. What even is that? Star Red?
I don't know. Because I thought it's like kind of a new one. And this is only $1. $1.
$1.
$1. Can you help me asawa to remove to peel the this one?
See if you smash it like that first, it'll go nice and easy.
Where did you put the spring roll wrapper?
In the cupboard. In the cupboard.
What is in the cupboard?
Cupboard.
Cupboard? Here? Here?
Yes.
So we have spring rolls wrapper, guys. We bought it where?
Cub Foods.
Cub Foods. It's from Vietnam, I guess, because it's Vietnamese. No,
Oh, she already put the grater attachment. No. Like this, watch.
It will not get. So, grate na natin yung carrots, guys. And the celery. We got the celery.
Those are spring onions.
Oh, spring onions, I mean.
Yeah, the spring onions are hard to do in here. We should probably just mince those. Okay.
Peppers.
You want all that onion in there too?
Yeah, because there's an onion in it. Only half because we have spring onions already. Asawa, you're so tall. May asawa ka no is super tall. And
Well, like none of this stuff got blended at all. So there's all
remove the
this.
spring onions and some other stuff who didn't blend well.
Oh yeah, because it's not gonna blend well. It's just the. I think we have
Grater.
to put the other piece in there. Or because now we gotta mix this all up, right?
Yeah.
Oyster sauce as well.
Oyster sauce. Soy sauce is already done.
A little more soy sauce because there wasn't very much in that one. It's less sodium.
Oyster sauce, it's new one. 2 tablespoons. This is the ground pork, guys.
So we're gonna try and get this little ground up some more. So we're gonna put this in here.
I think this is chunk. This is bigger asawa. Let's use this blade. It should be small.
I think you said 2. That's 3.
Because this is small. Then bell pepper. Smash it with
I feel like you probably should have measured because I feel like we don't have enough.
and 3 eggs. We need to get 3 eggs. And lots of pepper. Okay, I'll do it. Lumpia.
Chill the meat for a little bit, let it settle, and then we'll do that afterwards.
No, it should be wrapped already. Then you can put inside the fridge. Oh, this is not the texture of our ano. How to use this? I thought they are already. So, iba yung pagka-spring rolls dito, guys. Ano siya? Di ko alam kung saan makabili ng spring rolls yung kagaya sa Pinas sa atin. Ano siya, guys? Ganito siya. Matigas, pero kailangan mo siyang ibabad sa tubig. So, meron akong tubig dito. Kailangan lang siya ibabad para ma-absorb, para lumambot. At may nagawa na ako, guys. Isa. Sana masarap. First time ko gumamit ng ganitong spring rolls wrapper. Ay mo yung karne. Mas sobrang lambot ng ng spring rolls. Kasi hindi ako sanay gumamit nito. Basta, ganito lang siya. Then, ipiprito natin ito. Asawa! Let's try to fry one. If it's not good, I will not continue this. Because it's my first time to make this kind of wrapper.
So maybe we should ask him to redo it. Oh, it's gotta heat up.
It's a failed Shanghai lumpia. Because the wrapper is different, guys.
These are supposed to be steamed, not fried.
We try to steam it.
Probably.
Like siomai.
Yeah.
Because I thought it's a wrapper that we used to, like the one we saw in the video.
It's the wrong kind of oil.
I think this is better for steam. Like a siomai.